Very good. Where did you meet Sarah? We were classmates at school. Hello, is Anne home? Yes, I'll get her for you. Hello. Can I talk to John, please? Yes, I'll put him through. Saluter unconocido. Hi, how are you doing? Hi, I'm fine, thanks. How are you? Thanks. Hello, how are you? Hi, I'm fine. Thanks. Great weather today, don't you think? Yes, I love the sunny day. Excuse me, sir, could you tell me the price of this hat? Sure, it's £20. I'll take it, thank you. Would you like some dessert or coffee? No, thank you. Just the check, please.